Hello there, Justin here. In today's video, I'm going to try to give you a bit of an overview and a guide on how I installed my Samdo motorcycle speedometer onto my Katana. It's kind of hard to show you it since I've already done it. I can't really show you the process of doing it. Also, the way I have the wiring kind of plugged into the headlight, I can't really get it out with stripping everything apart. So, make things easier on me, make things easier for you. I'm going to show you what it is, show you all the information about the speedometer itself, and then I'm going to give you the link to my guide. So I made a guide. It's a Word document that shows you every wire on the Samdo motorcycle speedometer, and then shows you every wire you need to connect to on the stock gauge cluster harness. Hope that made sense. If it doesn't make sense, I'm going to make another video later on explaining a little more in depth. This is just a quick little video trying to show you the process and trying to make things easier for you. So come over here, come on. Okay, so if you're new here, this is my 2001 Suzuki Katana Street Fighter build. I took all the fairings off of it. They were scuffed and kind of scratched. I wasn't a fan of the early 2000s style, so I took all that off. Kind of did a Street Fighter build, bar and mirrors, round halo headlight, cool turn signals, and the star of the show, Samdo motorcycle speedometer. It comes on very quickly. High beam, low beam, turn signals, RPM, as far as I can tell it's fully accurate time. Speed sensor, as far as I know it's only 1 or 2 miles per hour off, but that's due to my tuning. There's a few other settings that I can change on the actual speedometer itself to get a little more accurate. I just have not done that. It's got a mileage counter, which is nice to have. Obviously you want to know how many miles you've ridden on your bike. Fuel gauge is accurate. I was surprised it was accurate. Functional, neutral light. So with this speedometer, it has two power cables. One turns it on with the key, and the other one is constant power. So I have constant power running out of this little plug down here. I have no clue what this plug is. All I knew is that the red wire has power, and that gives it constant power to the speedometer, so it saves your data, your mileage, and your settings. And then the other power cable turns it on with the key. Come down to here, right here. Here is the speedometer gauge cluster cable. I have that plugged into the bottom of the headlight, so all the wiring is safe up inside of here, not exposed to the elements. My guide will walk you through how to take the standard gauge cluster cable and then how to use bolt connectors to wire in the Samdo motorcycle speedometer. As far as I know, this is the most plug and play setup. It allows you to connect to the standard harness without having to splice any cables or anything like that, which is nice. And it allows you to use the stock speed sensor. One of the things I hate about aftermarket speedometers is that most of them have the Halifax sensor, which you put magnets down onto the rim or the brake caliper, I'm not sure which it is, and then a little sensor kind of spins around and calculates the rotations and all that stuff. So this is a lot more cleaner, a lot easier to do. The guide will be down the link. I'm going to take you to my website and show you where to go. Pretty easy right up here, Samdo. Download page, so you can download the 2001 Suzuki Katana wiring diagram. This is just for your reference if you need that. Back to the website. Here's the document for the guide. So this far left column, this is the function of each wire. So turn right, turn left, constant power, power switch negative, etc. Here's which wire it is on the Samdo speedometer. So say it's a light blue for the turn right signal. It's going to be a light green cable on your gauge cluster harness. Which, if you don't know what the gauge cluster harness looks like, I included pictures. So this is originally plugged into the back of the stock speedometer. You're going to pull that out. And then using the bolt connectors, which I included a link to, and I'll show you the link real quick. Okay, yeah, this is what it looks like. I had to modify them slightly by squeezing the end of the terminal plug just to make it a little smaller to be able to slide into the plug hole a little bit better, but after that it slid in easily and nicely and it worked fine. But yeah, this guide hopefully will make things easier for you. It will save you the time of going in there and having to test each wire, look through your wiring diagram and all that stuff. It'll just kind of show you everything you need to do. Then you can just go through it, at your own leisure and hopefully get it done. Make it work nicely. Thanks for checking out the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing for more content. I wish you the best of luck installing the Samdo motorcycle speedometer. It was a pain in the butt for me, so hopefully me doing the hard work and making this guide for you will save you some time and energy. I will see you later. Take it easy.